What's up, traders? In this episode, I will share with you this wonderful trading strategy that I have just gotten newly. With that being said, let's just dive into the tutorial. Now you can see that I'm on my 1 hour time frame of Euro USD. Now looking at this chart, what we'll be looking at is this period separator. We're making use of this period separator to anticipate the directional bias in this trading strategy. Now look at this very thing clear. You see that this dotted line here, this dotted line from here is the day beginning. The day begins from here and ended here. This is another day, and another day started from the same point and ended here. Now looking at this thing, we'll be using this period separator to anticipate direction of this market. Looking at this, you see from here that this market has taken this low, breaking this low and dropped down. It's a sign of what? Bearish sentiment. Now we'll be making use of this period separator now to anticipate this direction of this market. Now looking at it from here, this is the low. This is the low. Look from here, this is the low that was taken from here, the previous day low. Now the strategy works this way: the previous day low must be taken by the other day in order for you to sell. But in a situation where the previous day high breaks above, it's a sign of what? A bullish sentiment. Is same thing with the bearish sentiment. Now look at this thing very clear. You see that this market, without drawing your trend line from here, you can see that this market has cleared this previous day low. It's a sign that the market will do what? Go down. What we'll be doing is just mark out previous day low and wait for the market to break neither the low or the high. If the market break this high now, break this previous day high from here, we'll be looking for what? For buy opportunity. And if you break this low here, we'll be looking for what? For sell opportunity. And as it is now, you can see that the market has taken the low. What we'll be looking for is what? The sell opportunity, because it's a what? A sign of bearish sentiment. Now as it is right now, what we're gonna do is to do what? To mark out the other block that caused the break of what? The market structure. From here, look at it very clear. You see that from here, as the market took out this low, this is the other block that caused this bearish sentiment here. Look at it here. It's a sign. This is the other block that caused this. Now as the market took this low, I came back to this other block, you sell. Then you wait for another day. You see from this day, you see that this low, the previous day low, has taken. You see this market took out what? This previous day low. What will you do? You mark out the other block that caused that break of structure. This is the block that caused it here. Then you mark out the other block here, and you do what? You wait for another day. And from here you can see this is the day, this where we are talking about. This is the previous day low, and market took out this low from here. You do what? You mark out the other block that caused what? The break of market structure. This is the block that caused it here, and market came back to that other block. You do what? You sell. And from here right now, you see that from this is the previous day low to this one. Then you mark out this low and market what? Broke it down. You look out for the other block that caused this bearish sentiment. What will you do? You mark out the other block that caused it. This is the block that caused it. This spin bar here is the block that caused it. You mark it like this, and what? Market what? Come back to the same place and go down. Now what we do is to backtest this thing in your demo account before you go live. Now look at this thing very clear. Now you don't need to draw a kind of a trend line to know the direction of the market. With this strategy, you can spot the direction of the market without going to higher time frame. You can stick to this 1 hour time frame to do anything that you want to do. But what you will be looking at is the break of structure, whether the market is breaking higher or lower. Like this place now, look at this place very clear. You see that from this value area. Market has taken this low, is the previous day low to this, and market cleared this low. Is a what? A sign of what? Bearish sentiment. I took this low from here. You look out for sell, and you can see from here the market enter another day. You mark out this, and market come back to that place and do what? Lower it down. From here another one, you see we have backtested this in from the other side to this place, and they have been making money. Now look at this from here, you see, to this place. Market do what? Clear the low. What will you do? You look out for what? For the block that caused this. You mark out this block. This is the block that caused this break of structure. This is the block that caused it here, and market drop down. This is the previous day low. From here you see that market took this low, and you do what? You look for the block that caused it, and the market come back to this block, and you do what? You saw. Now look at this very one here. Look at exactly what happened here. From here, from this very low, you mark this low, and market failed to clear this low here. It's a sign of bullish sentiment. Failed to clear this low, and they do what? Took out this previous day high here. It's a sign of what? Bullish sentiment. You do what? You mark out your other block from here and wait for the market to come to this block, and you do what? You buy. Look at it, and market come back to this block, buy. And for here again, you can see market took out this high, and it's a sign of what? Bullish sentiment. You mark out this block that caused it here, and wait for market to come back here, you buy. Thank you for watching. This is exactly how this strategy works. Stay tuned for the next video. I will walk you through again on details on how to top down this analysis. Stay tuned.